Hi, this is Andrew Glassmarker with Genelec, and we're here to talk about the 3440 subwoofer. What we are showing today is we're showing a PoE plus powered speaker. So as you notice, it's a single Category 5 cable, and it is providing power and audio via a Dante network, or you can use AES67. Currently, we're using Dante with our own Smart IP manager, and the subwoofer itself has a 70-watt internal power amplifier. It's a 6.5-inch driver in a bandpass cabinet. It goes down to about 35 hertz. So you're getting a full subwoofer experience out of a PoE plus powered speaker. Something we're really proud of. It does have mounting options, so you can mount it virtually anywhere, but it is an install design speaker. And yeah, we're happy to show it here. And if you need any more information on it, please visit us at genelec.com/smartip.